Welcome to Sanford Built and Reviewed DIY. Today we're going to go over cord management. I know we already did one video on this, but the audio was bad and we're evolving. So I'm going to redo cord management because it's important. This is the way most of you are probably out there winding your cords up. And this is absolutely the wrong way to do it. Don't do it again. You're ruining your cords. You see these little spirals? That is because inside of your cord, you have a plastic sleeve on the outside, and you've got 2, sometimes 3 wires. Most of these are 2. What happens when you're spinning that around your arm is these wires start rotating. They rotate around in there, and then you get that spin, and then your cord is completely ruined. But if you take your cord, and when you're rolling it in, you just give it a little swirl, a little twist, a little whip, if you will. I'm just rotating it so that when the cord is being put into a circle pattern, it's still staying relatively square to itself. Give it a little spin, and that way your cords will stay nice and good. Another way you can do it is something we call daisy chaining. This is a good professional way of doing it also. It's a little better with thicker cords, but you get the center of your cord, start with a little knot like this, and you're going to reach your hand in the knot, grab your cord, pull it back through. Now your hand's here, reach it in, pull it back through. Reach in, pull back through. What I like to do is put my foot on the bottom here, and then I can just keep daisy chaining the cord. That way you don't get any tangles in your cord, and if you ever want to undo it, just pull out the first 2, give it a throw, the cord's undone. No more tangled cords, no more wires twisting inside the casing. That's cord management. This has been Jason with Sanford Built and Reviewed DIY. Please hit the like button and please click the subscribe button. Bye.